moment na to. Kung lahat ng kids ay nakapag-wish ka po para sa ating birthday ceremony, of course, Mommy. Ayan, so any birthday wish and any birthday prayer mo for our angel po.
Birthday wish lang, be.
I wish for you, my baby. No matter what happens, I will always be here for you, and I will do all my best just to give your needs. And even though you know what we've been through, I will always be here for you, baby. And I love you so much, Mama, and Mommy will always be here for you. Love you.
So thank you, Mommy, for the wonderful birthday message. Okay, let's continue. Once again, it's our happy birthday!